Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on CentOS Stream 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. If you are unable to find the version, then you have to click on archives. Then select the operating system RHL or Oracle Linux. Then select the version 9. Okay, once you selected, see here it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading and executing each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Also here it is star file. We will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.43. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, downloaded successfully. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server tar file. We have to untar it. tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Ctrl A, sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Ctrl A, sudo systemctl status MySQL d. What the password of sudo user? See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Go to it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. If you don't give the d, it won't work. So, okay, we have to give the d. Enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Now connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account password. Okay, but we don't have any password. But we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to sudo more var log mysqld.log grep password. See here we have the temporary password for the root account. See here, this is the password, but this is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for the root account. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now provide the temporary password by copying this one. Enter. Now set the permanent password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to connect. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Test database. Yes. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Okay. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.0.43. Now you can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables in this database. So tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have added these two rows. Okay, now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user, then provide the username. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Enter. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now connect to MySQL server with this user by exiting from the current session. Quit MySQL-u. Username is David-p. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. You can verify the same by running select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database blank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. Okay, now exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on CentOS stream. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is stopped. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is started. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBR on Linux operating systems. We have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.43. So these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm. This will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls, we have one more file, remove this one also to clear the space. ls, see, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on CentOS stream 9. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.